Good morning student, I am Manish Pandey from LPM Public School. Today I am going to teach you 6th chapter of class 6 and that is article. Okay, so 6th chapter of class 7th, okay, that is articles. As we have learned that there are 3 articles, a and the. Okay, so 2 types of articles are there, first definite article and second indefinite article. So what is indefinite article? Indefinite articles, the articles a and an are called indefinite article. Okay, because before nouns we are using indefinite article, that is indefinite. Okay, that is not they are not very particular, so we don't know them, that is why they are called indefinite article. Okay, because they do not point to a particular person or thing. Okay, let us look at the uses of the indefinite articles. Okay, now we use a and an before countable nouns. If nouns are countable, then we will use a or an. Okay, but remember, before only singular nouns. Okay, in the singular number, for example, a chair is singular, so before chair we can use a. Orange, actually orange, why we use and before orange? Because orange, first letter of orange is O and that is vowel. If our word is beginning with vowel, then we will use an. Okay, we use a before words that begins with a consonant sound. C is consonant, so before chair we will use a. We use an before words that begin with a vowel sound. Okay, a, e, I, o, u. If our word begins with a, e, I, o, u vowel sound, then we will use an. Okay, for example, a thirsty crow. So T, this is making consonant sound. T is consonant, so we will use a. Empty, E is vowel, so before empty bottle we will use an. Okay, good friend, G is consonant, so before G we will use a good friend. Okay, and singular as well, so we will use a. Independent state, I, this word begins with I, so we will use an independent state. Okay children, till here you got me? Okay, we use a before words that begins with e and u because they have an initial y sound. For example, actually university and before European, okay, we will use a. Okay, rather than and, because university, when we are pronouncing university, u sound is coming, it is making u sound, u, so it means u is vowel but sound is not vowel. Okay, consonant sound it is making, so before university we will use a. Okay, and likewise European, this word begins with E, that is vowel, but E is silent. European. Okay, so what sound is coming? U. U is consonant. That is why we are using A before university and European. Okay, now next. We use a before words that begins with O but have an initial W sound. For example, actually one begins with O, but when we are pronouncing one story, it is making W sound, one, W and one. Okay, not O sound, it is making. Okay, so before one story we will use a. Okay, getting me? So this is the rule behind using of a and. Now we use and before words that begin with a silent H. For example, if H is silent, then we will use a. Ear, ear. H is not pronouncing here. Okay, that is why is we are pronouncing with E. Is first pronouncing letter in this word. That is why we used an here. Okay. H is silent. Okay. Honest. We are pronouncing from O to T. Honest. Honest politician. So H is not being pronounced here. So that is why an is used before honest. Okay. We use an before abbreviations if consonants begin with a vowel sound. For example, MA. MA. Actually, M is not a vowel, but sound is vowel. MA. When we are pronouncing, so it is making vowel sound. That is why we used an before MA and MP. Okay, it is again making vowel sound. So before MP we will use an. We use a or an before a singular countable nouns which is used to represent a class of things. For example, buffalo is a useful animal. It means buffalo is singular and this buffalo is representing its class. It means its whole class. All the buffaloes are a useful animal. So before buffalo we will use a. Okay, now we use a or an to indicate one. For example, if we have to indicate one, so only we can use a. Okay, that will do. Not a bird means not a single bird could be heard. Okay, we use a or an to make a common noun of a proper noun. For example, if we have to make proper noun to common noun, we will use a before proper noun. Actually, we have a Daniel in our midst. So we have a Daniel. Daniel is a proper noun, name of person, but now here it is working as a common noun. So before Daniel we will use a. Actually, generally before name of any person we don't use a or an or the. Okay, but in this case, because this is not proper noun, it has become common noun. So before Daniel we will use a. Okay, we use a or an when we speak of a profession. For example, he is a doctor, he is a teacher, he is a policeman. Okay, he is an engineer. Before engineer we will use an because first letter is vowel. Okay, so before profession name we will use a or an. We use a before words like dozen. Okay, quarter, thousand, few, little, a lot of. For example, okay, so before all these words we will use a. Can you give me a little sugar? He brought a few mangoes. It is a quarter of a kilometer to the school. So before dozen, quarter, thousand, few, little, lot. Okay, a lot of work. I have to do a lot of work. Okay, so all these words preceded by a. Now we will do first example. First exercise in this lesson. Insert a and where required. What a shame! Actually, when we are using what? Oh, okay. So after what, a will be followed. If our word begins with vowel sound, then N will come, otherwise A will come. Okay. He is an honorable. H is silent. Okay, H is silent. We are pronouncing from O. Honorable man. So honorable will be preceded by an. Okay, not A. Okay. I met an SMEs. SMEs. This letter also begins. This word also begins with A. Will be preceded by an. Okay. I met an SMEs gentleman while traveling from Agra to a hill station. Hill station will be preceded by A because H is consonant, it is making consonant sound. Okay, so A will be used here. Okay, now next. He has a headache and needs to take rest. Okay, so headache will be preceded by A. The workers formed a union. In this sentence again union is making U sound. Actually, although this word union begins with U, that is vowel, but making consonant sound, that is why we will use A. Okay. Now in 6, grandma told us a story about a one-eyed. Now again one, it is also making consonant sound. Actually O is a vowel, but it is making not a consonant vowel sound, it is making consonant sound. One. Okay, W. That is why A is used here. Honest, again H is silent, so we will use an. Okay. Honest person, an honest person will never lie. She wants to buy a South Indian sari. South Indian sari will be preceded by A because it is indicating that she will buy only one sari. Okay, that is A is used here. Aunt, okay, A is vowel. Before aunt we will use an. Our train is late by an hour. H is silent. Hour. Okay, so before hour we will use an. Could you add a little salt? Before little, as I told you earlier, before little we will use A. Okay. I need a lot of money, and before lot we will use A. Okay. I need a lot of money to fulfill my dreams. Okay, in this way we can use A or N. Sorry. So let me brief you. Before words begin with vowel preceded by an. Words begin with consonant preceded by A. But remember one thing: if our word begins with vowel but sound is consonant, then we will use A, not an. Okay, remember it. Now next some rules are there. Definite article. So how can we use definite article? Definite article, the is called the definite articles because it points to a particular person or a specific things. Okay, let us learn the uses of the definite articles. We use the when we speak of a particular person or thing. When we are talking about a particular person or thing, we will use the or one that has already been referred to. So if we know the person we are talking about, okay, so then we will use the. Okay, for example, a thirsty crow. Now earlier we don't know about this thirsty crow, so that is why we used A. A thirsty crow found a pitcher that contained some water. Okay, now we came to know about this thirsty crow. Then we will use the. Okay, for crow. The clever crow picked up some pebbles in his beak and dropped them one by one into the pitcher. Okay, so let's see. When we did not know about this thirsty crow, we used a. When we came to know about this thirsty crow, we used the. Okay. Now next we use the when a singular common noun is used to indicate a whole class. Okay, singular common noun is used to indicate whole class. For example, the donkey is a laborious animal. Actually, the donkey, it means not, we are not talking about this particular donkey. All the donkeys in the world. Okay, this donkey is representing its class. So the donkey is a laborious animal. All the donkeys are a laborious animal. So that is why before donkey we use the with superlatives. For example, we know 3 degrees are there: positive, comparative, and superlative. So before superlative degrees will be preceded by the. Okay. Virat Kohli is one of the most popular sportsmen. Actually, the most popular is a superlative degree. So before most, we will use the. Okay, in the word. Okay, we use the with objects that are unique. So that are one in this word. Okay, what objects are one in this word? Sun, moon, earth. Okay, they are one. They are unique of its kind. Okay, so look, the sun, the moon, the earth. Okay, so before the sun, the moon, the earth, we will use the. Okay, so let me tell you, children, when we can use the, when we know the person, when we know the things prior to speaking. Okay, at that time we can use the. Okay, and objects that are unique of its kind. Okay, what objects are unique in this word? Sun. Okay, so before sun we will use the. Moon. Moon is only one in this word, we will use the. Earth. Earth is only one in this word, we will use the. Okay, and whenever we are writing something, so first of all, when we don't know person, okay, uh, for which we are writing, so first of all we would use a for that person. When we came to know about that person, then we will use the. Okay, for that person. So this is the rule. So thank you very much, children, for watching my video. Next part, rest of the lesson, rest of the portion of this chapter, I will tell you in my next video. Till then, thank you very much. Okay.